beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. So in this week's video we're going to make another hairstyle. I'm going to be using clip-ins, and this is the one bundle of clip-ins. So I will check and see if it will be enough, but most likely it will, because I don't normally want a full, I don't want very thick hair. I just want enough. So this should be enough for me, but we'll see. If it's not enough, then I'll use a second pack. So these are 7 pieces, and this is the longest. The longest has 4 clips. So I'm going to go ahead and do these. So in the meantime, I will need to make a middle part, and I'll need this hair of mine to blend with the clip-ins. So I'm going to make twists with this hair, and I will use Strictly Curls as my curling lotion to help this hair curl, and of course water, moisture to make the hair damp. Yeah, and that's it. And of course my scalp. Yes, I'll need to oil my scalp before I continue.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than.
So I'm going to begin putting the clip-ins from the back.
I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Show ya. Show me the call you when you're turning me on. Cool way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have 'em all crying. calling me sweeter, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time.
So this is how I was able to install my clip-ins, and this right here in the front is my real hair. So I was able to open it up and then blended it with the clip-ins just like this. I used Strictly Curls to give me the curls for my natural hair. That way it blends easily with the clip-ins. So I'm not going to bother to lay down my front edges. I want a natural look, so I'm going to leave it like this. And all I did was to get my natural hair, fix it in or blend it in with the clip-ins, and this is what I got.
Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind.
So yeah.
Take it all, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden couple, get to your.
So my friends, this is the end of this week's video. You can find these clip-ins on our website, zillions.com, so check them out. Thank you so much for coming by. A big shout out to you, my girl Lorraine. Thank you so much for coming by. And Mom Amina, thank you so much for always coming through. We really appreciate all the support, all the comments. Thank you so much. So I will see you all in our next video. Cheers.